Replacing sway bar bushings and end links helps restore proper handling and reduces clunking noises from your suspension. Here's a step-by-step guide to replace sway bar bushings and end links. Start by parking your car on a flat, level surface and engaging the parking brake to prevent any movement. Place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels for added security. When lifting the vehicle, use a reliable jack and always support the car with sturdy jack stands before getting underneath it. Then remove the wheel, because it gives you more room to reach the bolts and components without struggling in tight spaces. It gives a clear view of the sway bar, bushings, and end links, making the job easier and reducing mistakes. Look under the car to find the sway bar, which runs across between the front or rear wheels. The bushings hold it in place with brackets, and the end links connect it to the suspension parts. To remove the old end links, spray penetrating oil on the bolts if they are rusty to make removal easier. Then, loosen and remove the bolts that hold the sway bar end links in place on both the sway bar and the control arm. Once the bolts are out, take off the old end links. To install the new bushings, position them on the sway bar with the slit wrapped around the bar. Once in place, reattach the bushing brackets over the bushings and loosely thread the bolts by hand to hold everything in position. Moog Suspension Stabilizer Bar Bushing Kit offers durable construction that resists wear from road grime, salt, and oil. It helps restore proper handling, reduce body sway, and improve ride stability. It provides long-lasting performance and comes with a strong warranty for extra peace of mind. Install the new end links in the same position as the old ones. Tighten the bolts so they stay in place, but do not tighten them fully yet. Do the final tightening after lowering the car to the ground. Front stabilizer sway bar end links help improve your vehicle's handling and stability, especially during turns. They reduce body roll, help the tires stay firmly on the road, and improve control during sharp turns or quick movements. Lower the car back to the ground, so the suspension is properly loaded. Once the vehicle is on the ground, use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications for a secure and safe fit. Here are some common signs that indicate you need to replace sway bar bushings and end links. Clunking or rattling over bumps is a common sign of worn sway bar bushings or end links. Worn sway bar bushings and end links can cause uneven tire wear, affecting handling, safety, and tire lifespan. These steps help replace sway bar bushings and end links to restore handling, reduce noise, and improve stability.